Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just on board our CNC 38 sailboat. It's the middle of May. What I want to do is see if we can get this old Yanmar diesel going. It's a 30 horsepower. The model is 3HM35F. So the next step is I need to hook up my bucket to the water intake. So I've loosened this hose off a little bit. And as you can see, the water intake's on the side of the motor. And so we'll get the bucket all hooked up. A few other people asked about house batteries too on the boat. We have three deep cycle batteries. And that's our onboard hot water tank. And that actually heats up with the engine plus 110 shore power too. So next up, we'll get the bucket hooked up. Alright, so here's the bucket setup. It's 5 gallons of fresh water. I had to lug up. The hose system's not hooked up at the club yet. A little hole in the bottom with a fitting. And then the hose goes right into your freshwater intake on the side of the motor there. You always have to remember, with water pressure and the hose being low, get a little bit on the motor when I was hooking it up. So it's got 2,757.6 hours on it. And to start it, turn the key on, wait about 5 seconds. I was able to get a hose hooked up so I can let the motor run for probably 5 or 10 minutes. Tighten up that belt. And we also need to replace a couple of these hoses. You always want to make sure you got good water flow coming out of the exhaust. You want to make sure your water pump and everything's working fine, and this is a great flow for this engine. We're going to let the motor run for probably 5 or 10 minutes. Again, it's got fresh cold water going into it. You can see I got a big scaffolding here. Next step is staging. The next step is to get this old beast waxed. Anyways, again, I'm going to let this run for 5 or 10 minutes. Make sure it doesn't overheat. And we'll see how it looks. Just going to let it idle probably around 900 to 1,000 again for a few more minutes. There's looking down into the engine. Again, this is all covered up by the stairs. Alright, so the engine's been going for roughly 10 minutes. Takes a while for diesel to start warming up, but the hose is just starting to get warm. So next step is I'm going to turn off the hose and I'm just going to let what's left in the bucket run out. And then we'll call it a day here. But again, this is just a cold start of 30 horsepower Yanmar diesel, and this would be a 1988. Never been rebuilt or had any major work done to it. Turned her off for a sec. I'm just going to start it up so you can see how well these engines start. And It does that every time. Water's almost out, so I'm going to jump up top and we'll turn her off. Alright, and to turn her off, turn the key off. It's easy as that. Again guys, just a quick overview. Again, this is the Yanmar Diesel. It's a 30 horsepower. The model's 3HM35F. And again, this is an 88. Has just over 2,700 original hours. Again, it's never been rebuilt. One thing we always do every year is change it with Rotella 15W40 oil. And always a quality oil filter. Don't use the cheap ones, considering how much these motors are to replace. And again, we don't put a lot of hours on this every year. Maybe 100 hours. And again, like I said, we've never had any issues. Knock on wood. Again guys, thanks for watching. Again, it's just a cold start. And the last time this ran was September of 2018. It's now the middle of May of 2019.